Hello friends, I'm from Regrop.com, India's leading tech-enabled real estate brokerage firm, and today we are at Purti Jewel project. This way goes to Dhapa. This project is located in Tangra, and this side goes to Chinatown. So this is the surrounding area. Here is the main entrance of the project, and now we are entering into it. It is a premium joint venture development of Purti Realty and BCT Infrastructure LLP. This project offers skillfully and spaciously designed 2 and 3 BHK apartments. The project is spread over an area of 0.84 acres and consists of 2 towers. One tower is of G plus 5 floors rise and the other one is G plus 8 floors rise. The project consists of 85 units. The possession of the project is expected by October 2018. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for booking, call us at the given number. Thank you.